Determine by the distance formula whether the following points are collinear. So here if I'll take the first question. Here the first one, that is 1, 2, 5, 3, 18, 6. So I'll consider it as A, B and C. See, collinear means 2 or more points lie on the same straight line, like 3 or more. So AB distance and BC distance, if I'll add, I need to get AC distance by using distance formula. So here first I'll find the distance of AB. A is 1, 2, B is 5, 3. Distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here x1, y1, x2, y2. So AB distance under root x2 5 minus x1 1 whole square and 3 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 1 is 4 square, 3 minus 2 is 1 square. So root 16 plus 1, it is root 17. Now B and C. B is 5, 3, C is 18, 6. So now this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now if we'll calculate the distance BC under root 18 minus 5 whole square, 6 minus 3 whole square. Under root 18 minus 5 is 13, 6 minus 3 is 3. 13 square is 169 plus 3 square is 9. So it is 178. Now 178, if you want, like in simplest form, if you write, see 178 prime factors, 2 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 33, 3 times 11. So you can write as 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. So here, one second, prime factorization. It's 2 times 16, 2 times 8, 2 times 9. So 89 is prime, so we cannot write the simplest form. So root 178. Now next one, AC. A is 1, 2 and C is 18, 6. So here x1, y1, x2, y2. So if we'll find AC distance under root 18 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. So 18 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. 18 minus 1 whole square is like 17 square, 4 square. So 17 square is like 289. 289 plus 16 will give you like 305. 05, 305. Now clearly here, see, we cannot add. If we do prime factors for 305, 5, 6, 1, again prime. So those all are already in simplest form. So clearly AB plus BC is not AC. Root 17, root 178 is not equal to, so the points are points 1, 2, 5 comma 3 and 18 comma 6 are not collinear. Now in the same way I'll find the next part of this one, the second part. The three vertices are A 4 comma 3, B 5 comma 1, C 1 comma 9. Now if I'll calculate for this, we'll check. First we'll find for A and B. A 4 3, B 5 1. Now the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Fine. Now if I'll find the distance for AB, now here see this is x1, y1, x2, y2. AB distance 5 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. 5 minus 4 is, it's 1, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So it is 1 square is 1, minus 2 whole square is 4, so it is root 5. Now for BC, if we'll do for BC, B is 5 1, C is 1 comma 9, x1 y1 x2 y2. So BC under root x2 minus x1 whole square, 9 minus 1 whole square. It's minus 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4 whole square, 9 minus 1 is 8 square. This is 16 and this is 64. 16 plus 64 is 80. 80 prime factors are like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. So it's root 5. So 4 root 5. BC is 4 root 5. Now we'll find the distance for AC. A is 4 comma 3. C is 1 comma 9. Now this is x1 y1 x2 y2. AC distance under root x2 1 minus x1 4, 1 minus 4 whole square, y2 minus y1 9 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 4 whole square is minus 3 square, 9 minus 3 is 6 square. Minus 3 whole square is 9, 6 square is 36, 9 plus 36 is 45, 3 into 3 into 5. So that is 3 root 5. Now see here, these points will be collinear because if you add, this is 1 root 5. If you add AB plus AC, that is equal to BC. Root 5 plus 3 root 5 equals 4 root 5. So the diagram will be like this. A will be in the middle, B and C will be the endpoints. Because AB is root 5, this is 3 root 5, total is 4 root 5. So the points 4 comma 3, 5 comma 1 and 1 comma 9 are collinear. Therefore the points are collinear.